Hello everyone, I'm Raima and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to make this DIY geometrical wall hanging. So yeah, let's get started. For this, you'll need some bamboo sticks, scissors, a steel scale, golden acrylic paints, a paintbrush and a glue gun. सो फर्स्टली हमको एक हेक्सागन क्रिएट करना है और उसके लिए पहले ये बैम्बू स्टिक के पॉइंटेड एजेस को रिमूव कर लो यूजिंग अ सिजर. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज अ कटर हेयर. Now measure it up to 9 centimeters and cut down 6 pieces out of it. So पहले मैंने 11 centimeter लिया था but it turned out to be little big for me. So yes, 9 centimeter is good to go. Now make a regular hexagon which is obviously two-dimensional और इसके corners को stick कर लो using hot glue gun. Remember, you have to be very careful because it turns out quite hot. और yeah, मैंने एक न्यूज़पेपर के ऊपर यूज़ किया है because I don't want to ruin my table again. So yes, ये बेस अभी तैयार है and let it dry for few minutes now. तो चलो अब फिर से बैम्बू स्टिक्स ले लो एंड मेजर इट अप टू 14 सेंटीमीटर. रिमेंबर, इस बार आपको इसके पॉइंटेड कॉर्नर्स रिमूव नहीं करना है. बस अब कुछ नहीं, यू हैव टू कट 6 बैम्बू स्टिक्स ऑफ 14 सेंटीमीटर्स अगेन. और अब इसके एजेस को केयरफुली हेक्सागन बेस के कॉर्नर पर स्टिक कर दो. Just note that you have to make a hexagonal pyramid here. Just keep following the steps and yeah, you are good to go. So abhi we have to repeat the same process at the upper side of the base using the longer sticks of 21 centimeter. Stick the sticks carefully by the corners. थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है but at the end the results are totally worth it. Make the hexagonal pyramid again at the top and stick the corners using the glue gun. So yeah, we are almost done now. You can leave this as it is or paint it with any color. I took some golden paints to color this. Trust me guys, it was very satisfying, looked so great. So yeah, the final structure looked something like this. Hang it anywhere in your room, it looks absolutely gorgeous. You can add some leafy vines, creepers or maybe some fairy lights with it. It gives that aesthetic Pinterest wala look to your wall and look amazing. So that's all for this video. I hope you all liked it, and if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. There will be more videos coming up, and yeah, we are very close to 300 subscribers. I'm really excited about it, so please subscribe and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.